Hello, in this video overview, we're going to show you how to use Vocaroo. Vocaroo can be accessed by going to any browser and typing in vocaroo.com. Once you are here, you're going to notice that there is a little microphone that is here. And all I really have to do is click to record my voice. So let's do that. It's going to ask me to allow the browser to use my microphone. I will select allow. And you can see that as it's pulsing right here, it's showing me that it's recording everything that I'm saying right now. If I want to pause it, maybe I want to read something, get prepared, I can continue by clicking this button again, and you can see that it's continuing. Once I am done, I want to press this square here, and that will stop the recording. Directions are here as well. When I click on it, I can listen to it. You can see that as it And if I want to, I can save and share. When I click this option, I have a couple different options. I can copy the link right here, and you can see that it's copied, and I can paste it in a Google Doc or a slideshow or what have you. Now, what you need to know is if you use the URL or the link, it may not be permanent. It might stay for a couple months, it might stay for a year, but eventually that will go away. So often we ask our students to download. When they download it, you can see that it's putting it here in my browser downloads, and it might be in your downloads folder, it might go to your desktop. I'm clicking on my desktop because my browser default is to go to my desktop. So if I want to at this particular point, I can drag this into my Google Drive and change the sharing permissions, and that way I can let somebody use it and I won't ever have it deleted on their website. You can see here on my desktop, there it is. It's an MP3 format, is what we prefer. There also is an option to use the QR code. Your teacher might ask you to use a QR code, and if you press Save QR Code, it is going to download it, and you can see it's here. Just note that this QR code is something that is temporary. Again, it might last 3 months, it might last a year, but eventually it will go away. But that's a quick overview of how to use Vocaroo.